Carbon neutral will accelerate the transformation of energy structure. Renewable energy will become the major energy source and help establish a new type power system with clean energy as a mainstay. Energy storage will be an important component in this system, aiming to tackle with the uncontrollability of renewable energy. In the traditional energy storage system, one central PCS manages more than 2,000 battery cells. As these cells are parallel and serial connected, the internal differences will cause severe mismatch. Centralized cooling system worsens the mismatch due to uneven working temperature, leading to reduced usable capacity, quick battery degradation, mass O&M cost, and poor safety. Huawei highly integrates power electronics and digital technologies with energy storage and manages inconsistent lithium batteries with controllable power semiconductor devices. Pack-level optimization individually controls the charging performance of each pack to avoid serial mismatch. Rack-level optimization ensures all racks are simultaneously fully charged or discharged to avoid parallel mismatch. Modularized design increases system availability and efficiency. To sum up, Huawei aims to optimize LCOS with SmartString ESS solution. When one pack is fully charged or discharged, it will be bypassed with the pack optimizer automatically, so that other packs can continue charging or discharging. Smart Rack Controller adjusts bus side voltage of each rack and minimize bias current to less than 1%, where rack capacity can be fully utilized for more energy. With these features, SmartString ESS can discharge 15% more energy in the lifespan. Besides, distributed air conditioners individually cool each rack. Together with mix-air tunnel inside the pack, temperature difference inside the system can be controlled within 3 degrees Celsius, thus prolonging battery life by 50%. Throughout the life of ESS plant, mismatch among packs gets more and more severe, causing heavier loss of usable capacity. In traditional solutions, systems shall be regularly stopped for manual SOC calibration to diminish mismatch. One calibration for a 100 megawatt-hour plant with 50 battery systems takes 300 man-day. In Huawei solution, every pack is automatically calibrated via pack optimizer every day. No need of system shutdown. When fault occurs, plug-and-play design keeps the system free from on-site replacement with experts. In total, annual savings on O&M for a 100 megawatt-hour ESS plant can reach $260,000. As time goes, battery degradation will reduce usable capacity. To increase capacity, traditional solution needs to replace all the old batteries. Huawei solution supports mixed use of old and new batteries. Augmentation can increase same capacity with fewer batteries to reduce investment. Safety is the basic requirement for scale application of storage. Huawei focuses on the enhancement of end-to-end safety. Mass sensors and live insulation monitoring can alarm efficacy issues in advance. Multi-level shutdown and protection can detect failures for quick response in the early stage. Fire extinguishing system is installed separately to guarantee rapid suppression to thermal runaway. Thus, ESS solution can be thoroughly protected. Huawei also deploys cloud BMS to upgrade system safety with digital method. Based on AI analysis of cycling curve bias, Smart internal short circuit diagnosis identifies hidden short circuit tendencies and warn fire risk in advance. Via discharging more energy, reducing O&M cost, and improving system safety, Huawei's SmartString ESS solution reduces LCOS by 20% and aids to establish a new type power system with clean energy as a mainstay.